Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world, myself, Amjad Ali. You can call me Toastmaster Amjad Ali. Rather distinguished Toastmaster, the status which I have recently achieved after 2 years of my Toastmasters journey. This particular video is specially to promote Toastmasters International, the organization which is life-changing platform for many. When I go to Toastmasters meetings every single day, almost wherever I am, whichever part of the country of the world I am in, I try to visit different clubs. I interact with people. I share my experiences and listen to their, and end up motivating or inspiring few people. But with the help of this video, I would like to inspire and motivate more number of people to come and join this organization. Reason why I am promoting this organization, because this organization is not a normal organization. Let me give you a brief history of this organization. It was started in United States of America in 1924. To be exact, 22nd October 1924, by a person called late Ralph Chestnut Smedley. The guy who wanted people to improve their skills in communication and leadership. He would have done it by himself, for himself. But no, the idea was to help people, help the society so they can communicate better, they can learn leadership. If you think you want to conquer these two areas in your life, if you are not a better communicator, I'm not talking about language you speak, I'm talking about the communication, when you are not able to transfer your ideas to other people's head. And if you're not able to lead people, you don't know what is your leadership style, then this is the organization for you. And this idea is 95 years old, and now right now it exists in 145 countries with the help of 16,848 clubs to be exact, or plus minus, which was updated on 30th June 2019 with the help of 372,000 plus members across the globe, as I mentioned, in 145 countries. If this idea was not big, it would not have traveled across the globe. But as per my understanding and experience, this organization would have been much better than what we have it today. But this is growing very fast in last around 10 to 20 years. Thank you so much everyone coming on live and watching. I really appreciate your effort and your support. Whenever I come on live, you come and watch my videos and support and comment. Please do like and share as well. It will add so much value in people's lives. Thank you so much, Shaima. We know everyone who is coming on live and watching. You have so many clubs in your city and in your country. I'm not promoting any particular one club, but I want you to join this organization wherever you are, whichever country you are citizen of, whichever country you are residing. But give a shot and join. Not only joining will make you a better person or a better version or a better communicator, but you need to give many shots and challenge your skill. Whenever you are joining, make sure you will learn only when you participate more. I am one of the biggest example and biggest improved example in Toastmaster fraternity. In last 2 years, I have learned a lot. I have spoken in many countries, I have spoken in many clubs. That's the reason I feel I owe a lot to this organization. I will upload this video on my YouTube channel as well, on my Facebook page, so you can listen to this video again and again and share with other people if you like to. And I would really like you to subscribe my channel so I can I can be in touch with you, you can be in touch with me, you can learn more about me, and I can share more of my experiences of traveling, of speaking, of communicating and leadership with you. So this is one way of connecting and being connected with each other. Why I'm telling you you should join is not about only public speaking. It is about communicating. It will help you to communicate better with your family, with your friends, in your office, with your colleagues, in your society. And if you think you are not experiencing better leadership around you, in your country, in your company, in your society, then this is for you. You have to jump in, join this organization, become a better speaker, become a better communicator, become a better leader, and add value in people's lives. If we don't do that, as per my understanding, then we have no right to complain about other people's leadership style. Because we are not adding value, we are not learning, we are not doing anything, we are not affecting the society from our behaviors, from our style. So, ladies and gentlemen, I implore you to give a shot and join any club around you which is convenient for you, easy to access. The day is convenient for you, the timing is convenient for you. Join that club, give a shot, attend few meetings as a guest, and join after that if you think you want to add value in people's lives. And before that, if you want to see yourself a better version. After joining, you will understand you have missed a lot in your life. That's what I did when I joined, and I seriously regretted that why did I not know about this organization long before. But that regret is no more in my life because I gave so much time to improve myself. In just 2 years, I did magic, and magic happened to me in my life. Now I'm confidently able to speak to any number of audience, any kind of nationality, any culture, because I am kind of confident person. And this video is one of the examples I'm sharing with you that I'm able to speak confidently in front of anybody. And I'm ready to receive all sort of comments, feedbacks, positives and negatives, because this is how you improve in your life. Let me tell you one honest truth, that when I joined this fraternity, this organization, I was not able to speak very well. And if I'm able to speak right now a little bit with bit of my poor grammar or vocabulary, this is just because of Toastmasters International. Because the structure, the way meetings are, the way the meetings are structured, you believe or not, you will learn something magical. So nothing more than that, but I want to reach out to so many people and tell them, if you were a member, rejoin, add value in your life. If you are not a member yet, give a shot, join once and see where you can add value in your life. And now some people, I would like to directly speak to the people who were Toastmasters and right now they are not Toastmasters. Why you should come back? I want to ask you one question. I know you are not continuing because of you are not motivated. You are disrespected. You are demotivating. But ask a question to yourself. The person who demotivated you or discouraged you, was that person part of your life when you joined this fraternity? If not, then you should not consider that person at all. And the comments of that person, opinion of that person, what matters to you is your opinion, your intrinsic values, your intrinsic energy, because this is what you need in your life. Ask yourself the same question: why did you join? Was that for the people or for your self-improvement? If it was for your self-improvement, then you should come back, join this fraternity. You believe or not, you will see magic. Ignore every negative person around you. They are just for the sake of existence, and beauty is because of them. If they are not there, how would you understand and realize you are better than them, and there are better people exist in this world. So respect every human being, as well as ignore them if they are not adding value in society. Thank you so much, Munib Khan and Rita. Appreciate for coming live and watching. I really appreciate your effort. My final wording is, give one shot and you will see magic happening in your life. Not only joining will make you a better person, but taking part, taking leads, taking different leadership roles, and communicating and speaking in different meetings. Expose yourself in front of different audience, different clubs, in front of different members, the people who you don't know. Share your ideas, share your opinion, share your thoughts, speak your heart out. Then only you will get to know how capable you are. Otherwise, you will be underestimating yourself, overjudging yourself. But people will give you real opinions. But if you think somebody should not matter to you, that person should not matter to you. Take positive and leave negative. This is what we do when we go out shop, and we pick up only those stuff which are important for us. Something which is not necessary for us, we leave aside. We don't buy that. This is how it should matter with people's opinion. If something you don't like, you don't need, leave aside and take and pick what you like. With that, I implore you, give a shot, join Toastmasters once and challenge your skills, and you will be a better communicator and better leader. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. That will be a huge support, because I'll be sharing so many videos, so many ideas, my experiences, my failures, and will waiting for your experience to learn from. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.